What is up, YouTube? Got another beer review for you here. Tonight I have from Ballast Point the Cinnamon Raisin Commodore American Stout. I've had the regular Commodore a while ago. I just remember it as a really good, normal, run-of-the-mill stout. It was very good, but I was able to snag this variant of cinnamon raisins. So, sounds kind of weird, but let's see what it's like. Ballast Point makes some good stuff, other than the watermelon Dorado. So yeah, cinnamon raisin. I mean, cinnamon's great. Raisins also pretty good, but when it comes to beer, it seems a little odd. 6.5%. Let's get to it. Pouring a Coca-Cola-ish color with a, I poured that, not the best, but pretty stinking big head. That's about 3 fingers. Let's see what it smells like. So I think I'm catching a whiff of some cinnamon raisin stuff on the nose. There is definitely a bit of a somewhat stone fruity sweetness, plum, raisin, grape, but also you've got your roasted malts. Not super bitter smelling, like really dark roasted malts, but just light roasted, almost breadiness there. Let's just dig in, see what it tastes like. Cheers. I was just looking at the head. It's a nice looking head. Cheers. That is good. Nice carbonation. Mouthfeel isn't super thick. I'd say it's probably about where I would expect it to be for a normal stout, 6.5%. Nothing too crazy. Not super thick, but not watery. But average for a stout in terms of body. Oh, it's really good. I keep coming back to kind of an oatmeal raisin cookie. You definitely get some lingering malt bitterness here, which is nice. You see that with a lot of stouts. It's well balanced. The cinnamon raisin it's almost impossible to pick up. I probably wouldn't be able to tell you this is a adjunct stout on a blind tasting, but I think you get a little bit maybe of the cinnamon, the spice there as the carbonation kind of rests on your tongue. I think it plays in with that feel as well. Spice and carbonation generally tend to play off of one another in my experience. Yeah, that's really good. Again, I'd say Ballast Point started with an excellent base stout here. Man, I'd love to see him do more with this. I think this could be great base for other variants. I'm not super familiar with a lot of Ballast Point's stouts. I know I've had their Sea Monster, which was good, and obviously their Victory at Sea is kind of more of a flagship type dark beer for them, since they have so many variants of that. But this is good. Definitely pick it up if you see it. I'd say pick this up, pick the regular Commodore up. I don't think it's too drastic of a difference. It's very subtle spice, a little bit of kind of cookie-like, raisiny, fruity sweetness. Very, very subtle. Either way, well executed. Nothing, no off flavors here either. But just a nice beer to enjoy. I'd probably say any day of the week. Not too big, not too small, just right down the middle of the road. So, cheers.